If OFW ka and wala sa Pinas, makakabili ka ba ng property? Oo naman, pwede bumili ng property ang isang OFW kahit wala siya sa Pinas. All you need is a representative na pwedeng pumirma ng bank docs and developer docs in your behalf. Yung representative nito is dapat first degree relative mo. So, pwede yung anak, pwede yung tatay, pwede yung asawa, or kapatid. To make it legal, you'll need a special power of attorney or an SPA. Yung SPA na to, manggagaling to sa developer and banks. Ipapadala sa iyo through email. Once you receive it, you'll print it out, isa-sign mo, and dadalhin mo dun sa Philippine Embassy para ipa-consularize. Once consularize, or minsan tinatawag ding red ribbon, ipapadala mo yan pabalik sa Pilipinas, and yung representative mo, isasabit niya dun sa bank, saka sa developer. Because of the SPA, lahat ng pinirmahan ng representative mo in your behalf, valid yun, as if ikaw mismo yung pumirma.